Now let's move for the introduction for the conic section or conics. Now as I told you that parabolas, ellipse and hyperbola are the part of the conics, and basically we are starting with the circles. Circles are also the part of the conic. Okay, so here you can just go through a figure. We are having a nice figure is drawn here. Few terms are written here: parabola, circle, ellipse, hyperbola. All these terms are written here. Now basically, what is the conic section? What is a conic section? So the intersection of a plane and a double nabbed right circular cone generates few figures. Now these are the double nabbed right circular cone, and this is a plane. Okay, in a certain angles when we are moving the planes, different figures are generated, and these figures are circles, parabolas, ellipse and hyperbola. Now we are using these figures throughout the world. When we are going for the beginning for the parabolas and all these things, then you will love to hear that each and everything is on the parabolas. Okay, so basically the thing is that where we are using these conic sections. Now you can just see dish antenna which we are using as a TV or as a telecommunication, spherical in shape. That is basically not a spherical, it is called a parabolic in shape. Okay, then headlights of vehicles, why they are in the such a ellipse or a parabolic in the shape? What is the necessity for it? If you have observed your headlight here, if in the front it is mirror, in the back it is like this. Okay, so it is widely used, these conic sections are widely used in the current world for the betterment of the world, for the future of the world. Okay, so this is what about conic sections.